The European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, reported a magnitude 6.0 quake in China near Linxia Chengguanzhen, Gansu, only 9 minutes ago. The earthquake hit late at night on Monday, December 18, 2023, at 11:59 p.m. local time at a moderately shallow depth of 35 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from France's Réseau National de Surveillance Sismique, RéNaSS, which listed the quake at magnitude 6.2. A third agency, the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, reported the same quake at magnitude 6.1.